Good afternoon, everyone. War day number 525. 525 days ago, the war started in Ukraine, and everything has been changed in the world. Welcome today in the daily newspaper of Wednesday, August the 2nd, 2023. We have here two irregular puzzles, and those puzzles are the Medium Sudoku and Tectonic. In this newspaper we have also an additional with extra puzzles. Let me show you the extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 0 stars Sudoku. We have a 4-star Sudoku, the 4 stars Tectonic. In Dutch they call it cipher block, in Japanese Sudoku, and another Tectonic with 1 star, and the binary puzzle. And these puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all, only half of them I will solve in the evening tonight. But let me solve these 2 regular puzzles. And usually we have 3 regular puzzles in a newspaper, but the publisher have changed this week, so we have 2 regular puzzles, the medium and the tectonic, and this will be number 6851. 6851. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. 26 if you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudokus in additional. This will be a 2 stars puzzle, and for a 2 stars puzzle I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, the 7 and 8 is missing. 3, 6, 8, 3, 6, 8, 3, 6, 8, 3, 6, 8. And look, we have the 3 in this row, so no 3 in this box. We have a 6 in the middle column, so no 6 in that box. So the 3 and the 6 goes in those 2 boxes as appear. 3 and 6, 3 and 6. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 6 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for the number 8. Alright. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in the first column, so no 7 in this box. We have a 7 in the last row, so no 7 in that box. So 1 box left for the 7 in this big square. Should be there. Then 3 miss, no, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in this big square, so no 2 in these 3 boxes. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Here or there, we see a 2 in this column, so no 2 there. 2 should be there. Then. How about 6, 6, okay. 7 here, 5, 5, 4, 5. Let me think. Alright. 3 in the last column, 3 in the column next. So that column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. You see here 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so the row above, there will be 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. You see here 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so the column next, so only 3 places left for the 3 should be here or there. You see here 3 in this row, no 3 there. Here 3 in the last row, no 3 there. So the only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 in the first column, 3 in the second column. So the third column, only 3 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see our 3 in the third row, no 3 there. A 3 in the second row, no 3 there. So the only place left for the 3 should be there. And all the 3's are used. I can see digit number 1, number 3. Alright. Okay. 7 in this column, 7 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 2 missing numbers in the middle column. For the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing, 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have 1 in this row, no 1 there, 1 should be here, and then 9 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing, 5 and a 9, 5 and a 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there, 9 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Alright. Then 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, the 5 and 6 is missing, the 7 and 8 is missing. 2, 4, 8, 2, 4, 8, 2, 4, 8, 2, 4. No, we have a 2 here. 4, 6, 8, 4, 6, 8, 4, 6, 8. Yeah, 4, 6, 8, 4, 6, 8, 4, 6, 8. And look, we have 6 and 8 in this row, so no 6 and 8 in this box. 6 and the 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here and 8 goes there, so 1 digit left in this big square for number 4. Alright, 2 missing numbers in this column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7 and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have 8 in the middle row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 5 goes there. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 2 missing numbers in the last row. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7 and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this row. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Alright. Okay, 4 in the last column, 4 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in the first row, no 4 there. 4 should be here. Okay, 4, 4. We have a 9 in the third row, 9 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in the second column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9, 9. Well, we have a pair, the 7 and the 9 in this column, the 7 and the 9 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places left for the 7 and the 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 7 and 9, 7 and a 9. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 7, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 9. We have a 9 in this row, so no 9 in these 3 boxes. Here a 9 in this column, no 9 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 in this big square should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place left for the 9 should be there. Then 2 missing numbers in the third column for the numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and the 5, 4 and the 5. We have a 4 in the third row. No 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. So we have a 5 in the first row, 5 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in the last column. No 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in the last column, 5 in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for the 5 should... Oh, we already have a 5 here. Almost made a mistake. We made a mistake. So this cannot be a 5. correction could be happen. Okay. Well, we have a 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row. So on the row below, the only place left for the 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 5. Okay. Alright. 2 and 4. We have here 2 numbers left in this row. 4 numbers. 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 and the 6, 1 and the 6. The other pair in this big square, other numbers, the 1, 2 is missing, 3 and a 4 is missing. 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. We have a 4 in the first column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this row, 4 numbers. 1 is missing and the 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and the 2. We have a 2 in the first column, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 1 goes there. 1 and 6, we have a 1 now in this first column. No 1 there, 1 should be here and the 6 goes there. Then 2 missing numbers in the second row. For the numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. The 7 and the 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. And look, we have a 6 in the last column, no 6 there. 6 should be here and 8 goes there. 8 in the third row, 8 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. So we have a 7 in this row, 7 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for us. The 1 is missing, the 2, 3, and the 4 is missing. 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4. We have a 4 in the middle row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Alright. And now. We have a 9 in this column, last column, 9 in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the rest. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 in this column, 1 in the column next. So last column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 7 in the last column, 7 in the column next. So that column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the rest. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and the 6, 2 and the 6. We have a 6 in the last column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there, and the final 2 numbers in this big square for the rest. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and the 6, 2 and the 6. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Finished in 30 minutes. Well. Told you for a 2-star puzzle I need 15 to 20 minutes. Well, I've solved this in 30 minutes, so I'm very pleased with the time. And I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the second regular puzzle, the Tectonic. Until then, bye bye for now.